Let's delve into study strategies to help you succeed at uni. At university, you may find there is a greater workload than at high school, depending on how many units you take. For instance, for many subjects you'll be expected to read multiple sources to prepare for class each week. To master a greater workload, you'll want to further hone your study strategies like time management, active reading, and effective note-taking. There are many strategies that can support you with your studies. Some may work better for some subjects or for some people. You'll need to try them out to see what works best for you. At uni, you'll likely need to manage your time across attending classes, completing assessments, preparing for exams, attending social events, work, and taking care of your well-being. One example of an effective time management technique is time blocking, which involves dividing your day into specific blocks of time dedicated to different tasks or activities. This can boost your focus and ensure that essential activities receive the attention they deserve. When tackling your readings in preparation for classes or assessments, you'll need to read actively. Instead of skimming through the material, highlight important points, take notes, ask yourself questions about the material, summarize critical information, visualize concepts, and actively search for answers to any questions while you read. To help you understand and remember key information for exams and assessments, you'll need a good note-taking system. A popular note-taking method is the Cornell method, which divides your paper into 3 sections: a narrow left-hand column for cues or keywords, a wider right-hand column for lecture or reading notes, and a bottom section for summarising main points. This approach encourages active engagement, organisation, and efficient review with clear study cues. Seek, find, and practice the study skills that work best for you. And remember, you'll have many resources at university to support your study skills development.